So I've been loving my Uplift L-shaped desk. I previously had the advanced comfort keypad, and big shout out to Uplift for sending me over their new advanced RGB gaming keypad. Keypad is awesome. Matches the aesthetic of all my other equipment really well. Has 2 memory modes. Same thing, you can move it up and down. You can customize this to a ton of different colors, also different flashing patterns if you want, and the brightness. I just had it at a blue color to match my keyboard, soundbar, mouse, and computer, but really loving this. Thanks again, Uplift, for sending this over to me. Really appreciate it.